This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, attempt number 2 today of the Carolina weather video after the software issues described on the blog this morning. Gives us another shot. Hopefully everything works well this time around. Let's take a peek at an image snapped this morning from up at Beech Mountain, and that is snow on the ground, and snow showers will continue up in the North Carolina mountains for the rest of today, tonight, and taper off as we get into tomorrow morning. Here's the reason why. Big 500 millibar trough across the eastern part of the country, and there's a lot of very, very cold upper level temperatures associated with that trough. And the result is a lot of snow showers in a lot of places. First of all, this is a look from the FCX Roanoke NexRad site, and that is snow shower activity as I'm cutting this video here up in the Virginias down into northwestern North Carolina, and here in the Piedmont, yes, we could see a few snow showers or snow flurries at times today. Not a big deal, though. Here in the Piedmont, temperatures well above freezing, but again, up in the mountains, snow accumulations taking place. And let's take a look down in Alabama. This is the High Top Alabama, northeastern Alabama NexRad site, and all of that is snow falling in northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and extends back also into North Mississippi, much of Tennessee as well. So deep south, Tennessee Valley, snow occurring today, and it is accumulating in some spots on the grassy surfaces there in North Alabama, North Mississippi, North Georgia, and into Tennessee. Let's take a peek now. This is the 06Z run of the GFS, and all that green you see being indicated, that is snow shower activity deep down into Alabama, up through the North Carolina mountains, and on up through the Great Lakes region. And again, here in the Piedmont, we might see a passing snow shower or snow flurry today. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, sunshine will be in full force, and it's going to be a day that features temperatures upper 40s rather to lower 50s for highs. And as we peek on out now at Wednesday, a cold start to the day, down into the 20s for low temperatures Wednesday morning, and highs in the 50s Wednesday afternoon. Notice we're beginning to get Wednesday into that southwesterly flow on the backside of the high. And this is an Arctic cold front that's heading down. Behind that boundary, pure Arctic air that's going to plunge down into the central and eastern part of the country. And this is the type of air that's really going to, the models are not going to handle very well in terms of especially the MOS temperature data. So again, today with my forecast packages I put out, I really undercut the MOS data for our temperatures here Friday through the weekend. All right, so that's Wednesday. Here we are Thursday. That's the day the front moves through. We might squeeze out a shower as the front moves through, but the big story will be the change to colder weather. So that's Thursday. Here we are Friday, and that again, that's a pure Arctic air mass. Now it's tricky because the farther south you go, the shallower it is. But I fully expect, we're talking Friday, probably at best low to mid 40s for highs, lows well down into the 20s. And if we get a night Friday through the weekend that has a clear sky and light winds, we could dip into the teens again. But we'll have to see how that plays out. Now, been discussing on the blog a lot and in the videos about precipitation potential as we go through the weekend. Again, this is the 6C run of the GFS, and it does indeed move a little piece of energy through. This is 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and it's putting out a little bit of light precipitation across the Carolinas. And I didn't put the panel on here, but this actually, by overnight Saturday night, develops an area of low pressure just off the Carolina coast, and there's still some light precipitation on the back side of that. So again, for today's forecast packages, I still mentioned the chance for a little light snow or a little light rain, both Saturday and Sunday. It's just too soon to tell exactly how things will unfold, but there is still potential, at least for a little bit of precipitation in the Carolinas Saturday, Sunday, and or Monday. Probably not anything heavy or anything overly significant, but just don't know yet. It's a little too early to tell. Let's scoot on out now to Sunday afternoon, and the GFS has a pretty good reinforcing shot of colder air behind whatever develops over the weekend. And then we'll just kind of peer out toward the end of the modeling here. This is early in the morning on Wednesday, the 10th of December. Another storm system has just pulled through. And then way out early the morning of the 14th of December, another storm system approaching. So, and again, a lot of cold air around. That's some very, very cold air across the central and eastern part of the country. Now, all the models not in agreement about that. The European, the latest run, tries to warm things up at times in the eastern part of the country. But I think more often than not, December is going to be pretty chilly. There's going to be cold air around the central and eastern part of the country, and I still think we'll be in a fairly active storm track as December unfolds, and we'll just have to see if we can get any of these storm systems and the cold air to line up to get the winter weather that so many folks around here want to see here in the Carolinas. All right, so that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Monday. I'm actually off tomorrow due to the strange holiday scheduling of the past weekend. We'll see. I might cut a video tomorrow. I might not. We'll see how time unfolds tomorrow. But definitely Wednesday, a new edition of the video. And I'll keep the blog fresh with any fresh thoughts I have. All right, that's it for today's edition of the video. Everyone have a wonderful day, and God bless.